Hello, guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a tectonic, a.k.a. Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one is a 4 stars Suguru. Number 7214. Before start, I always count the printed digits. 15 printed digits should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes then. The next question, do we have triple boxes? I see here one triple box. Here, triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 3. And the box, remember, with a triple box, the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5 here. 4 or a 5, okay. Here, triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. We have here a quadra box in an L shape. When you see an L-shaped quadra box, remember that the inside box is an upside L-shaped quadra box. The inside box is always a 5. And these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Alright, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? By the way, do we have more of this kind of shape? Yeah, I see another one here. This box has the same number as that box, so in this case, it's a 5 here. Okay, the 5. Let me check. Nope, only 2 of them. Following shape, how about this shape, the L shape? Yeah, let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No L shapes, only on one L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? No, only one. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And we have another one upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 shapes, that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there and a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. These are 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 4 there. If I place the 4 here, then this box is connected with that box. We also have 4, but we already have a 4 here. So not the solution place the 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. Alright. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes and there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area. Should be here. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this cross area. Should be here, so 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 to 5, 2 to 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this quadra L shape should be the 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for those 2. And the 5, 2 to 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now, we have a double 2 here. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box will be 1. And then let me think. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 1 and 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 supposed to be here. 1 box left in this area for number 5. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Alright. We go up. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Another pair in this W area shape area should be for numbers 4. And the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Well, these 3 boxes. Round 1 can be a 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me think. This box can be 1. This box can be 2. So 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1, oh, the other pair should be the 4 and the 5. Okay. 4 and the 5. This box can be a 2. This box can be 1. So 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. This box should be also 1 or a 2. It's connected, okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. This box is also connected with that box, should be so 1 or 2. Okay. How about? Ooh. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can't be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 supposed to be here. And the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so we also 2. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes here. Now we have 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box will be a 1. And this box will be a 2. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. 3 to 4. Let me mark those. Alright. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Oh, we already have a 2 here, so it can't be 2 anymore. Only 1 place left for the 2 in this area. Should be here then. Okay, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 here. That means that this box can be 3 anymore. If I place the 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. The only place left for 3 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 3 and 5, we have 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And it's connected with that box, should be so 1. Final 2 numbers, 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. 0 stars. Wow. Faster than 40 minutes. So we're pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.